Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a 4-step infographics like this in just PowerPoint. So as you can see here I have used these 4 color samples over here, and this is looking so awesome and attractive, eye-catching infographics because I have used a different type of color combination in this. Hope you will like this video. So watch this video till the end. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video on this channel, guys. So without wasting any further time, guys, let's get started. So click on insert option. Here you will find new slide option. Just click on that and choose a blank slide over here like this. Now what you have to do, you just have to copy these color samples from here. I have using these color samples, so again I'm going to use in this particular slide view. So let me give you an overview of this, like how I have created these 4 shapes over here. So once you completed this first shape, then you will definitely able to create these extra 3 shapes over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create the first one. So for this you have to click on shape option, just click rounded rectangle option over here and drag this like this. Now just click on shape outline option and make it no outline over here like this. Okay, so now you just have to click on insert option over here, just choose shape option and choose a oval shape option over here. Just click Ctrl and Shift together and drag it outward to make a circle like this. Now make it no outline. For now I'm going to change the shape fill of this shape. So for this I'm going to right click over here, just click on format shape option. Here you will find fill option, just click on that, and now you find a gradient fill option over here. Just click on that. We will use 2 handles over here. Recently I have used black and light gray color samples, so it is fetching the previous color. So now what I'm going to do, for the right handle, just click on right handle, and for the right handle I'm going to use this color sample, means yellow color, and for the left handle I'm going to use dark orange color from the color sample like this. Now what you have to do, you just have to change the directions to left to right like this. I'm going to choose this one. Look guys, I'm going to choose this one. Now click on this shape over here and again choose the gradient fill option over here. For the left handle I'm just going to use this dark black color, and for the right handle I'm going to use this light black color over here like this. Okay, now put this over here. Now what you have to do, you just have to choose the type to radial like this, and the direction should be this one. Sorry, you have to choose the direction like this one. Okay, I'm going to slightly make it larger like this. I'm just going to change the background color over here. So this will be the background color. So now for the white arc over here, what you have to do, you just have to click on insert option over here. Just click on this slide, click on insert option over here and choose a arc option over here. You can see here an arc. Just click on that, press Ctrl and Shift and drag this arc to make it an arc, and you will find a yellow dot over here. Just move this yellow dot to the previous one like this. Okay, so the arc is ready. Let's rotate it to 90 degree, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it wider. Like I'm going to click on shape outline option, choose the weight option, and I'm going to make it wider to this much. Now choose the shape fill of this arc to white like this, and press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it inward to make it smaller like this. Just right click over here and send it to back. Just right click over here and send it to back like this. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this text group over here. So I'm going to use this text group over here. Just copy this text group over here. This line also should be selected. And paste it over here like this. Okay, now adjust this. Now click on insert option. Here you will find a line option. Just press Ctrl and Shift and drag a line over here like this and place this line over here. Make this line a little bit wider by clicking on this option over here. Now what you have to do, you just have to make some adjustment over here in the text. Now it's time to copy these icons over here. So I'm going to press Ctrl C to copy this and paste it over here. Kept this icon in the middle. And now finally I'm going to select all the shape and press Ctrl G to group it. Ctrl D to duplicate it one time. Ctrl D and Ctrl D. Means you have to duplicate it 4 times, as you can see here. So now what you have to do, you just have to adjust this shape. Now click on this arc over here and move this arc to the bottom. But together you have to rotate it 90 degree, vertical 90 degree, so that we can now do the same with this shape. Just slide this arc in the bottom, and to hide this dot over here, what you have to do, you just have to click on this arc and you can say rotate or flip it vertically like this. So now I'm going to choose the different color for this arc, like I'm going to use this orange color for this, and do the same with this arc. I'm going to use the same orange color over here. Now finally you have to make some adjustment over here so that your shape should be in the proper positions. To do that, just select all these shapes and click on align option over here. Just click on align middle. So let me introduce you which type of text I'm using in this particular infographics. So you can see here I have used Calibri body and the size is 9. For the research text I have used impact and the size is 24. And for the one step title I have used this particular style and the size is 44. Okay guys, so now what you have to do, you just have to change these text over here, idea, process and goal. So do it. Let's do it. This is idea, and this is process, and the final text is goal. Just click this and make some adjustment over here. Like you have to drag it to here, or drag it to the middle, and drag this goal text in the middle like this. Now change these icons as per your needs. So this is the basic idea of this tutorial. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. If you have any query while creating this type of infographics, then please write me on my WhatsApp number, or you can connect with my Facebook page also. So this is that's all for today guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.